Okay, children, now we are going to begin with the remaining story. Let us start. In the meanwhile, Androsel's master had complained to the authorities that his slave Androsel had run away. Soldiers were sent in all directions to capture Androsel. They searched for him high and low, but they couldn't find him. At last, they came to the forest where Androsel lived. Now, as we know, Androsel was very upset with his master, so he decided to leave the house. So then Androseus started to stay with lion in the forest. So in the meanwhile, when Androseus was staying with the lion and he was always helping him, and he decided I will stay here only. So Androseus master had complained to the authorities that his slave Androsel had run away from the house. So his master sent soldiers and in all directions. So they have searched him high and low. High and low means everywhere, but they were not able to find Androsel. At last, they came to the forest where Androsel live. Capture meaning to take someone prisoner. So they have it so happened that Androsel had gone out alone that day while the lion rested near the cave. Both of them fell into the hands of the soldier. The soldiers took them back to the city. They put Androsel in the chains in a prison. The lion was kicked. Now, as we know that Androsel's master had sent soldiers to search the Androsel. So they have got Androsel in the lion, and Androsel that day when they were searching to the Androsel had gone out alone. He had gone out alone that day while the lion rested near the cave, and lion was doing rest near the cave. So both of them fell into the hands of the soldier. You can see how they have caught the soldier as how they have caught the lion as well as to the Androsel. So and they have put Androsel in a chain in a prison. You can see in the picture. In those days, people who were found to be guilty of a serious crime were fed to wild beasts as punishment. Running away from one's master was a very serious crime at that time. Therefore, Androsel's too was to be thrown to the wild beast. Now, in those days, in that time, if any slave will leave the house of this master of his master, so they will find to be they were found to be guilty of a serious crime. It is known as a serious crime, means they have done very means they have not obeyed that master's orders, and whatever work is given to them they have not obeyed. So if any slave will do like this, they will throw, it is known as a big crime or a serious crime, so they will throw to the wild beast as a punishment. It is their punishment that they have to face the wild beast. Running away from one's master house was a very serious crime at that time, and running away is known as a very serious crime. So Androsels have done the same thing. So now Androsels have to face this problem. Now next what happened, let's see. On the appointed day, the emperor arrived at the circus and took his place. The crowds cheered loudly. The trumps blew. The trumpet, and Androsel was brought into the arena. His chains were unbound. He felt weak and dismayed. He was certain that this was the last day of his life. Now Androsel knew that he had done a crime. It was a big crime that he have run away from his master's house. So now he have to face to the wild beasts as a punishment. And on appointed day, the emperor arrived the circus and took his place. Now emperor, he came in the circus and he took his place, and the crowd cheered loudly. Many peoples were gathered to see what will happen with Androsis. So they have came to saw into the arena meaning is a place where sports or entertainment or other public events take place. Here Androsel have to face the wild beasts as a punishment. So many people gathered there to see what will happen with Androsel, how Androsel will face this punishment. So his chains were unbound, and now they have removed his chain. Circus arena events take place. So Androceles have to face wild beasts in a arena. Dismay, meaning of dismay, worried, sad, or disappointed. So you can see in the picture at the opposite end a gate was raised and a ferocious lion was released into the arena. It had been kept hungry to make it more precious. Androceles was filled with fear, but he put up a brave front. Now, as we know that Androceles was knowing that it was the last day of my life, how he will face the wild beasts. So he was knowing his punishment is he has done a big crime, so he have to face this problem, this punishment he have to face anyhow. So he was certain that this was the last day of his life. So at the opposite end, you can see in the picture, at the opposite end a gate was raised and a precious lion was released into the arena. Into the arena lion released. It had been kept hungry to make it more precious, and the lion was very hungry, so it looks very precious. And Brussels was filled with fear, but he put up a brave front. If any person will see the lion, it will become afraid only. So here Androsel was also very scared, and then too he decided anyhow I have to face this punishment. So but he put up a brave front. He show to everyone by his behavior that you are not frightened, means he was not frightened. He was showing that he was not frightened to the lion, because he was knowing that anyhow he have to face this problem. Put up a brave front means to show everyone by your behavior that you are not afraid or you are not frightened, means you are not afraid with the lion. So at last the lion saw Androceles and rushed towards him. Now you can see in the picture the lion saw Androceles and rushed towards him, bounding and roaring, but suddenly it stopped in its tracks. Then it moved slowly forward. All its rage seemed to have melted, and Russell saw these two. Each friend recognized the other. Now, when Lion saw Androcells, so it rushed towards the Androcells, bounding and roaring. First, we can see if a lion will see any person will bound or roar only. Lion is roaring only. So, but the suddenly when he saw the Androcell, suddenly when it went in front of the Androcell, it stopped and its tracks. Then it moves slowly forward, and it moves slowly forward. Lion moves slowly forward. All its rage seemed to have melted. The meaning of rage, extreme or violent anger. Whatever anger was there on the, means lion was very hungry. When it saw Androcells, that so he recognized his friend Androcells. So all its rage seemed to have melted. Whatever anger it was having, it have melted, because lion had recognized Androceles. Androceles saw these two, and when Androceles saw this, Androceles was also happy that each friend recognized the other. The meaning of rage means extreme or violent anger. So both of the friend had recognized each other, that Androceles had recognized it is the same lion to whom he had helped, and lion recognized to Androceles it is the same person who had helped me when I was in a great pain. So to everyone's amazement, the lion bonded towards Androceles again, but when it reached him, it began to purr and rub its nose against him. Androceles hugged the lion. He wept with relief and joy. Now when both of the friends have recognized each other, everyone was very surprised. The people who were gathered, that they were surprised to see what had happened, because they want to see it happens different only, it is opposite only. So the audience, including the emperor, watched this tender sight in a great wonder. People began to cheer Androceles and ask for his release. The emperor asked Androceles to explain the lion's strange behavior. When all the people who were gathered there to see what will happen to the Androcele, when they saw the strange behavior of the lion, they asked to the Androcele how lion was behaving like this with Androcele, what happened. So Androceles people begin to cheer Androsus and they ask for his release. So the emperor asked Androsus to explain the lion's strange behavior, and in the meanwhile, emperor also asked to the Androsus why lion's behavior is so strange with you. When he heard the whole story, the emperor was also moved by the gratitude and friendship between man and beasts. The meaning of tender meaning is kind and loving and gentle. When they saw the strange behavior of lion and with Androsus they were very happy. So when he heard the whole story, the emperor was also moved by the gratitude and friendship between man and beasts. Now they comes to know the story of lion as well as Androsus. So they are knowing that the friendship between man and beast. He ordered the Androsus should be set free. He would no longer be a slave. So emperor decided now lion Androsus should be rest free, should be set free. Now he will not work more as a slave. He would no longer to be a slave. Means now emperor comes to know the behavior of slave, means the Androsus. So he decided he should be set free, he would no longer be a slave. When the emperor asked Androsus what other reward he would like, Androsus replied that he did not want anything for himself, but he wanted the lion to be set free too. So when emperor comes to know the behavior of Androsus, so he asked what any other thing you want, you can tell me any other reward you want. If you would like, then you can ask me. So Androsus replied that he don't want anything for himself, but he wanted the lion to be set free too. He said I don't want anything, but it is my wish that lion to be set free too. So the two friends went back to the forest to live a free life. Means they both are good friends now, Androsus and the lion. So here we have learned there is a good relation between a man and the beast.